It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 11th of May. I'm James Spann. The weather today stays very warm and dry. Showers and storms return tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Some of those could be strong, and then a dry weekend ahead. Let's go ahead and check it out. Water vapor satellite view. The upper low that's been over the southwest United States is lifting out, and that brings that chance of rain by tomorrow. But today we're under ridging, so we're dry. Some high clouds overhead, cirrus clouds. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s early this morning. The cool spots are Anniston and Fort Payne. They're in the upper 50s. Highs today, mid to upper 80s in most spots. Around the nation, the air is noticeably cooler back in the western states. We'll cool down a little bit tomorrow and Saturday. By Saturday, the high will be back in the mid-70s, but we go right back in the 80s by Sunday and next week. On the watch warning map, things pretty quiet early this morning. Later today, strong to severe storms are possible from eastern Texas up into parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, and North Carolina, just north and west of Alabama. And then tomorrow we have a marginal risk of severe storms across parts of the southeastern states. In Alabama, that marginal risk includes Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa, Montgomery, and Mobile. Kind of a low-end threat. We'll show you the parameters in just a moment. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch, and that will be with the event tomorrow and tomorrow night. Other than that, looks pretty dry for a while. In fact, all of next week for now looks rain-free. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the shortwave trough coming out of the southwest. And down below that, we'll see a band of storms from Texas up into Arkansas and Kentucky and over to Virginia and parts of North Carolina. But for us, we're dry, partly sunny, high cirrus clouds overhead. Highs 85 to 89. Tomorrow, a broad surface low moves in with rain and storms. We'll check the timing. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And it could be a decent part of the daytime will be dry, but we sure can't promise that. This is suggesting at that point storms over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama, maybe some over the western counties of the state. 8 o'clock, pretty good band of thunderstorms coming through north-central Alabama. Then by midnight tomorrow night, still raining through central Alabama. And again, we'll take all that rain we can get because once this is on by, we'll be dry for probably 6, maybe 7 days. Instability values are pretty impressive. The surface-based CAPE up to 3,700 joules per kilogram on the high end. But the wind fields are very weak. The lapse rates are weak. Almost all the severe weather parameters just look very so-so. So we don't expect any tornadoes. The main issues with stronger storms, hail, and gusty straight-line winds. But as always, with thunderstorms, what do? Expect the unexpected. We'll keep an eye on things just in case. Now, Saturday, there could be some clouds early in the day. The rain will be ending sometime between midnight tomorrow night and maybe 3 or 4 o'clock Saturday morning. During the day, the sky becomes partly to mostly sunny. A cooler day, the high should be in the mid-70s. Sunday, early in the morning, will be in the middle 50s. We warm up into the mid-80s. The sky will be sunny. And next week, look at just warm and dry with ridging. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, highs well up in the 80s. Here's a week from today, Thursday of next week. And there's the deal. Big upper low cold core in the western states. Cold, unsettled there, but flat ridging here. And Thursday of next week still looking warm and dry. Here's the end of the forecast period. Saturday, May 20th, and still we have ridging here. And we're still pretty much warm and dry. So you can see next week looks pretty quiet. Here are the numbers coming off the European. We dropped to 74 for the high on Saturday, 81 Sunday, then right back in the upper 80s for all of next week, maybe touching 90 as we push on toward the end of May and the beginning of meteorological summer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.